Good morning, Payne Tech. Today is Friday, October 4th, and welcome to the junior episode of Payne Tech News. I'm your host, Jessica Harris.
And I'm your co-host, Gerald Edwell. As most of us know, we celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month from mid-September to mid-October. Alongside all of the school's various activities, the Innovation Center has put together a curation of books from the library collection, as well as an interactive newsletter with resources for students, educators, and caregivers. For access to all, see Mr. Daniel in the Innovation Center, as we're looking forward to the Hispanic Heritage Month Showcase.
The Innovation Center also commemorated Banned Books Week with a book curation and information packet. The week honors books that have been targeted for banning in the past, as well as increasing awareness about the freedom to read and its importance for the future. Should students or staff have interest in hearing more or reading a banned book, see Mr. Daniel.
We just finished our first month of school. Our fellow students, Toni, Jadlyn, and Asiyah, went out to interview sophomores and juniors to see how their year is going and whether they can offer advice to other Payne Tech students.
Good morning, Payne Tech News. I'm your host, Toni Ford.
And I'm your co-host, Jadlyn Robles.
Today we'll be gaining valuable insights into how
Sophomores and juniors are adjusting to their new school year back at Payne Tech.
Name and grade.
Adore, and I'm in 10th grade.
Jalen Valentine, 10th grade.
Jaden, 11th grade, construction.
Gerald, 11th grade, construction.
Nazir, 11th grade.
Asiyah. I'm a junior and I'm in cosmetology.
Tito and Yano, junior, cosmetology.
Ethan Roundtree, sophomore, game design.
What are some things you guys are looking forward to this school year?
Passing all my tests and getting all A's.
Period.
Track season.
I'm looking forward to pass all my classes with A.
what is one thing you wish you did differently freshman/sophomore year?
Pass math class the first quarter. It messed up my GPA a little bit, so yeah.
What about you?
Made sure I paid attention to algebra because that brung my GPA down than most of the average students in here. So yeah.
2 plus 2.
4.
Take classes seriously.
Do more of my work on time.
All right, that's facts.
Watch who I call my friends.
Period.
Pay attention in class.
What teacher made high school the best for you?
Miss Campbell, my ELA teacher. Freshman year, you was in my class. Yeah.
What about you?
Miss Goncalves, algebra, she know who she is. Love you.
Maybe Mr. Murray or Mr. Santora.
Mr. Maurice, for sure.
Is sophomore slump real?
It is, because you got you got the first 2 quarters, and you real hungry because you got 3 classes first, and then you got a class after lunch, so you get real hungry. So yeah, it's tiring.
What about you?
Most definitely is because the class after CTE is going to make you feel mad drowsy. No cap.
What is that?
Like where you're just tired the whole sophomore year. And you don't want to do nothing.
I be tired every year.
What year specifically, if you could say?
Freshman year, I was real tired.
Yes, very. I hated sophomore year.
What about you?
Yes, according November, December, that time is the worst time of the month to be a sophomore for real.
If you could give freshmen some advice, what would it be?
Make sure to stay on top of your work.
Don't cheat.
I mean, it's not a bad idea if the teacher lets you slide. She lets you slide. So,
If you can give sophomores some advice, what would it be?
do something other than just your class. Like, actually be involved with school. Get your community service. Get all your work done. Actually try to be involved with school instead of just being boring.
Yes, you gain more friends like that doing sports and stuff.
Yeah, I agree with both of you. Just go outside, touch grass, have fun.
Touch grass.
Do something.
Do your work and mind your business.
And not being loud in the hallways. Stamp.
Focus on your work. Don't lack in class, because once you lack, you might forget things, especially chemistry. Chemistry, you gotta focus in that class.
Definitely.
I agree with that, to be honest, but chemistry, really don't mess up in chemistry because you really gonna have to start to catch up a lot.
Payne Tech had CTE Open House this past Wednesday night, which gave parents and potential Payne Tech applicants an opportunity to tour our facilities and get information on all of our CTE programs. If you have a friend, sibling, or know anyone that would be interested in attending Payne Tech, please tell them to visit the essextech.org website and search for applications, and stay tuned for more information.
October is National Principals Month, which is observed throughout the month of October each year. The purpose of National Principals Month is to honor the dedication and hard work of school principals and to show appreciation for their contributions to the success of students, schools, and communities.
The 2024 presidential election between Democratic Vice President Kamala Harris and former Republican President Donald Trump will take place on November 5th. The race is very close with the battleground states of Wisconsin, Michigan, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Arizona virtually tied according to recent polling. Voter registration deadline for the general election in New Jersey is October 15th, 2024, so please register to vote if you are 18 years or older and a U.S. citizen. Every vote counts. And that concludes this episode of Payne Tech News. Once again, I'm your host, Jessica Harris.
And I'm Gerald Edwell. Go Juniors!